Chapter 2. Plant life. Learning objectives. Parts of a plant: the root, the stem, the leaf, the flower, the fruit, the seed. There are various kinds of plants around us. Some are big and some are small. Trees look different from one another. A banana plant is different from a mango tree, and so are papaya, banyan, people, and bamboo. Like us, a plant is a living thing. It needs air, water, minerals, sunshine, and good care to grow. Parts of a plant. We do different kinds of work with different parts of our body. In the same way, the different parts of a plant have different works to do. Observe a plant in the garden. The part above the ground is the trunk of the tree or the main stem of the plant. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. It is called the shoot. Now let us gently pull a small plant out of the ground. Wash away the soil. You will now see the part of the plant that was below the ground. This part is called the root. The roots. The roots of a plant usually grow under the ground. The roots hold the plants firmly in the ground. Roots collect water needed for the growth of plants. Some plants store food into roots, for example carrot, beetroot or radish. Some plants have roots that grows above the ground, which absorb moisture from the atmosphere. Some climbers have climbing roots arising from the stems. They attach the plants to the tree or a wall. Type of roots. Different plants have different types of root. A plant may have just one big root or a group of small roots. These roots have many tiny hairs on them. The main root and its branches fix the plants firmly in the soil. The fine hairs of the roots help the plant to absorb water and mineral salt from the soil. The root also pushes the absorbed water and mineral salt up into the stem. There are mainly two types of root. They are taproot, fibrous root. Taproot. In many plants, the small roots grow from the main root. Such roots are called taproots. Plants such as beans and mustards have taproots. Fibrous roots. In some plants, there are several teeny roots which grows from the end of stems. They are called fibrous roots. Plants such as grass have fibrous roots. The stem, shoot. The stem forms the main support of the plant. It holds the plant straight. The stem bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. It carries water and mineral salt from the root to the other parts of the plant. It also carries food prepared in the leaves to other parts of the plant. Some plants like the money plant have soft and weak stems. They are called climbers. New plants also grow from these stems. Special stems that can store food are called tubers. Plants like potatoes, sugarcane and ginger store their food in the stem. Some stems are soft and some are hard. A strong and hard stem of a tree is called trunk. The leaf. We see different types of leaves around us. They are different in shape and sizes. They may be round, long, wide, narrow and even triangular. They are of different colors as well. Most plants have leaves that are green, but some have yellow, red or even purple leaves. Some plants have leaves with patches of different colors on them. Leaves of different plants also have different smells. You must have seen your mother putting coriander, mint and curry leaves into different dishes for flavors. Parts of leaf. The flat part of the leaf is the leaf blade or lamina. Tiny channels run all over the leaf. They are called veins. They carry water from the roots to the leaves. The lower side of the leaf has many openings called stomata. Air enters the leaf through these openings. Leaves have a substance called chlorophyll, which is green in color. Chlorophyll absorbs the sunlight to make food. Leaves are called the food factories of plants. The food prepared by the leaves is carried to all parts of the plant through the stem. This food is used for the growth of the plant. The extra food is stored in the root, stem, fruit and seeds. This stored food is eaten by animals and human beings. The flowers. Many plants bear flowers. Flowers grow on the stem. The flowers help the plant to give rise to new plant. Flowers grows into fruit. Many flowers are colorful and beautiful to look at. They are found in various colors, shapes and sizes. Some common flowers are rose, jasmine, lily, sunflower, hibiscus and dahlia. The petals of the flowers are usually brightly colored. Sepals enclose the flowers in the bud, giving the protection. Sepals are usually green in color. The fruits. A fruit is that part of a flowering plant which contains the seeds. Fruits develop the flowers. Most fruits are edible and sweet. Some fruits like apple, mango and banana are also fleshy. The fruits of cotton and sunflower are dry. The seeds. Seeds are hidden inside the fruit. When fruits ripen, they fall to the ground or are eaten by birds and animals. The seeds are scattered all around the ground and lie buried in the soil. When conditions become suitable, these seeds grow into a new plant. Seeds need water, air, soil and sunshine to grow into a big and healthy plant. The first leaves that appear on the seeds are called seed leaves. When seeds begin to grow, it is called germination. Different fruits contain different types and numbers of seeds. A mango contains a single large seed, while a papaya contains many small seeds. Seeds of wheat, rice, corn and gram are called edible seeds. Keywords. Shoot. Part of a plant seen above the soil. Root. Part of a plant normally below the ground. Germination. Growing of a seed into a seedling. Stomata. Minute pose in a leaf. Looking back, the root is below the ground and the shoot is above the ground. The stems give support to the plant. Plants need sunlight, air, water and soil to prepare their own food. A fruit is that part of a flowering plant which contains the seed. Seeds grows into new plants. Seeds need water, air, soil and sunshine to put a tick on the correct